The CPA Eagle review demo and $2,150 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is the CPA Eagle review. Now, this is a brand new CPA marketing software and training, okay? So I've seen a ton of CPA marketing products out there, but I've never seen a software that actually finds the top converting offers. So this is something brand new. This was created by these two guys, Palab and Ram, and these two guys are making money with CPA marketing for years. So their training is top notch. So you're gonna get a combination of both video training and software. Let me share my screen and let's jump into it. And by the way, as always, I have a $2,150 bonus, including some exclusive case studies that you're gonna get nowhere else. So let me share my screen. Let's jump into it. As you can see, the headline says, "Attention, have you ever seen CPA offers converting at 66%? Done for you CPA software finds they can't fail CPA offers in any niche, country, and network. Discover how I made $332.25 in CPA commissions in less than 24 hours by leveraging this CPA software and traffic strategy." So again, what you're gonna get is, first of all, the training, the traffic training, and also the software that finds these top offers. I'm going to show you a little demo in a second. So I'm not going to go through the whole sales page, but as you can see, you know, they made $332 here with CPA, $298 right here, $422 right here. So these guys have a ton of proof. Palab and Ram, these are the two guys behind this product, and again, they've been making money with CPA marketing for years now. I actually released a couple of CPA products with Palab, and one of them is the bonus that I'm going to give you to the CPA Eagle. Okay, so you can go through all of this in your own time. Again, the CPA Eagle, this is the name of this software and training. You're gonna get a ton of stuff inside. In a second, I'm going to show you the members area, but you're gonna get some bonuses from these guys. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of these bonuses, and obviously you have a 30 days money back guarantee. So that's essentially it, and let's jump into the members area. So again, it's two different components that you're gonna get. First is the software. So as you can see, you'll be able to access the software first. So the software comes with video training that is separate to the training on how to make money with it. Okay, so you have the quick installation video, the walkthrough, the niche sniper, the network sniper, and the country sniper. Okay, so you're gonna have to install the CPA Eagle software, and it looks like this. Okay, so I'm not going to do a full demo right now for you, but as you can see, you can essentially search for top converting CPA offers, and the cool thing is that the CPA Eagle will find offers that you won't normally find when doing manual search on the big CPA platforms. Okay, because the big CPA platforms, essentially they want to push certain niches and certain offers that they know that, you know, convert, and the problem with that is that you know, a ton of people are just promoting the same offers over and over and over again. You know, if you've tried CPA marketing in the past, you know that sometimes you're gonna get these emails from these platforms saying, listen, this is the offer that we want to push right now, which means that sometimes maybe even thousands of people will be promoting the same exact offer, and the CPA Eagle software finds these small CPA offers that no one really knows about in small niches, but they convert great because no one else is really promoting them. So you can jump onto them and just make some crazy commissions. And again, these are small niches, you know, offers that no one can really find. So as you can see, you can just use this to find different offers in different niches, so in small niches that no one really goes after. Then you can also do it by network. So you got, as you can see, the offer name, payout, offer type, category, network, and update, and also by country. So obviously CPA offers can be done by country. Number one is United States, but if you want to do CPA marketing locally and some offers pay great, you know, this way as well, you can do all of this. So again, I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog below this video and on my YouTube channel. So check all of this out, and right now let's go through all the rest of the members area. Okay, so this is the software, and the training, as you can see, is here. And again, as you are seeing right now, you'll be able to access the software, then access the software training, and then we will follow the super CPA affiliate training below, which is this right here. So we have everything there is to know about CPA marketing, from getting accepted into the networks, to generating traffic, to setting up your offer, everything from A to Z. Okay, so we have the intro right here, then we have the CPA networks, then we have a high converting CPA offer selection, then we have the CPA Eagle software demo, then we have decide on your funnel, then we have creating your funnel part 1 and part 2, then we have traffic introduction. Then you also gonna get a $100 free ad credit, because some paid traffic will be used for that, which is super cool. That means you don't have to invest anything to start making money. Then we have the Google ad campaigns, then we have the search type campaigns, then we have search type campaigns part 2, then we have display type campaigns part 1 and 2, and then we have remarketing. And on top of all this, you're gonna get these bonuses from Ram and Palap. So you get the live training, and you're getting all of these additional bonuses, and obviously gonna be able to access the OTOs here. So this is exactly what you're getting. Again, you're getting both the training and the software. The software finds these offers that you can easily promote, and the training shows you exactly how to set it up and how to send traffic to it. A complete A to Z CPA marketing package you can start making money with today or tomorrow. Everything is covered. Even if you are a complete newbie, you don't know where to start, everything is covered and it's over the shoulder. Now let's go for all of the upsells and pricing. So as you can see, the main product will be $17, that's the early bird price, and then $24 after the initial launch period. Okay, so if you're gonna show up early, you can snatch it for just $17. Then OTO number 1 is $27. Let me show you the pricing first, and then I'm going to show you exactly what's what. So OTO 1 $27, OTO 2 $37, OTO 3 $27, and OTO 4 $27. And on my blog I have everything explained in detail in text. So as you can see, the CPA Eagle upsell number 1 is the PPC ad wizard. So if you want to scale your earnings and use PPC ads, which is essentially paid ads for your CPA campaigns, this is what you have to pick up for $27. That's OTO number 1. Again, this is optional, but again, this is for people that want to make even more money. So you'll be fine with the main product alone. All of the traffic strategies are covered, but if you want to scale it up potentially to thousands of dollars, that's OTO number 1. So again, you're going to be creating PPC ad campaigns, and the software is called PPC Ad Wizard. It allows you to spy on your competitors in any niche, check out their exact ads, landing pages, extensions, and even links. So you'll also get many keyword ideas, and you're also going to get the keyword merger feature that allows you to merge keywords and get even more keywords for better results. Okay, so that's OTO number 1. OTO number 2, we get $37, and this is done for you campaigns. So obviously you can prepare all of these campaigns from scratch, and these guys show you exactly how to do it. But with the 10 done for you campaigns, you're gonna get exact landing pages, video sales letters, review videos, offer details, and even email swipes. So you can just copy and paste it and start profiting. Then we have CPA Eagle upsell number 3 for $27, and this is 5 CPA case studies. Now you're gonna get 5 different case studies, and they will show you exactly the exact offers, landing pages, images, exact ads running on Google Ads, and full ads targeting inside these case studies. Okay, that's $27 and $27 for OTO number 4 as well. And this is resellers lights, which is essentially something that allows you to sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Now the cool thing is that you can either promote it and as an affiliate and make 100% commissions on the whole funnel, or just upload it to your own website and sell it this way. Totally up to you. So you have both options right here. Again, guys, the OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone. Everything is covered and you're getting the software inside, you're getting all the traffic, training. But if you want maybe more traffic or additional campaigns or case studies or the reseller's license, it's totally up to you. You can definitely snatch it if you feel like. Okay, and now let me show you all of the bonuses. Okay, and these bonuses are worth a total of $2,150. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you 7 CPA and affiliate marketing case studies. Now, this is my custom bonus, especially made for the CPA Eagle. So you're gonna get it nowhere else but from myself. You cannot even buy it if you would like to. You have to get it only by picking your copy of CPA Eagle through my link. Okay, this way you're gonna get this custom-made bonus to CPA Eagle. 7 case studies on CPA and affiliate marketing, and also generating traffic from social media. So this is my super custom bonus to the CPA Eagle. Now you're getting the CPA Pirate, which is a course that I released with Palab last year. It's a WS of the Day awarded course, even more CPA marketing strategies. Okay, so you're getting the CPA Pirate, all of these bonuses for free. Obviously, you're getting Blaze, my Facebook strategy for free traffic and affiliate marketing, another WS of the Day. Then you're getting commission freebooter, commission pirate, 9-minute commissions, instant tube writer, CPA $100 daily. These are all WS of the Day awarded courses from Ram and Palab, and you're getting some CPA courses on top of it. You're getting the Red Zone CPA, you're getting CPA Profit Storm, CPA Profit Blueprint, and 100 ways to drive more traffic. Obviously, the more traffic you can generate, the better. And on top of all this, you're getting 10 additional CPA Eagle bonuses. You're gonna get CPA Basic Training Software, you're gonna get Giveaway CPA, CPA Marketing Cost Per Action System, then you're gonna get CPA Profits On Demand, then CPA Goals, CPA Email Marketing, then Unlimited Leads, Social Traffic Plan, Traffic Machine, and also Lead Generation On Demand. And on top of it, you're gonna get Facebook Traffic Revised, and that's a total of 22 bonuses so far, but I'm not done. You're gonna get my mega bonus on top of all of it, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus WS of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. You can check it out by going to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus. Now this mega bonus alone is worth a total of $1,500, and together with all of the bonuses that I mentioned before, that's a total of $2,150. Okay, so you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up the CPA Eagle through my link. And the CPA Eagle will be going live at 10 a.m. Eastern on September 25th. Make sure to show up early to get it with the early bird discount for just $17. Again, this is a crazy low price. Thinking about you're getting the software, the video training. These guys will show you exactly how to start from scratch and how to make an average of $300 per day. So you can make a ton of cash. And again, CPA is actually a much easier way comparing to affiliate marketing, because you are not selling anything. In some cases you'll be doing like an iPhone giveaway, and who doesn't want to win a free iPhone? Okay, so you're gonna get paid each time someone just submits their zip code or their email. So it's just a much better way of making money online and making earning commissions. So guys, as always, please give it a like on YouTube. Please comment if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you when the CPA Eagle goes live. And again, that's the 10 a.m. Eastern on September 25th. Pick it up through my link using the link, the first link in the description if you're watching on YouTube, one of these blue links if you are on my blog. And again, check out the demo. I'm gonna have a full demo separately to this review video, and I will be seeing you very shortly in the next video. Ciao.